Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for Application series that is running into my channel. So friends, starting with this video, we are going to learn about some loop examples that we are going to write and execute with this video, right? So watch this video till the end to learn more and briefly about the VBA loop examples, right? So basically we are going to talk about in today's video how to loop through all the rows into your worksheet, right? So at first go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. Here insert new module and let's write our code. So basically we use the sub procedure to write our code, but today in this video we are going to use the public sub procedure into this video, right? And what is public sub procedure? I will explain that in my next video. So at first let's start our code. Public. Now here we are going to use the sub procedure and your procedure name. I am naming it to better understand as loop through rows. Now hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now it's time to declare our variable name by using dim. I am selecting cell as my variable and the type of this variable will be as a range, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Here we are going to use the for each loop in today's video. So use the for each your variable name, that is cell in range. Now it's time to declare our range selection, right? So in the bracket, in double quotation, type A:A. That means we are going to use our VBA code for only the A column and the rows of the A column, right? Now close the double quote, close the bracket, hit enter, come to the next line and indent your code by pressing the tab button, right? Now type if cell dot select value from the drop down menu. Now here type lesser than symbol, then greater than symbol, then open double quote and close double quote. That means it doesn't contain. Now what this actually meant for? This means the cell should not be empty. Now type then msg box cell dot address. Now we need to type what details into the message box we want to see, right? We want to see an cell address and the value of the cell address into that message box, right? So here type cell dot address space ampersand symbol, open double quote, put a colon, then space, then close the double quote, ampersand symbol again, type cell dot. Now select again value from the drop down menu and hit enter, come to the next line, unindent your code, type next cell. Now that's all, your code has been completed successfully. Now let's see what it actually does. This means whenever your cell contains any value, it will show that cell address and the cell value into your message box. Let's see what happens. So we have putted the column number A and every rows of column number A. So I am typing in A1 cell as 1. In A2 cell, let's type AB. Now in A3 cell, we got a number 8. Here we put an hashtag here and let leave the cell number A5 as blank or empty cell. Here we are typing D, right? Let's run that code and let's see what happens. Go to the developer tab, click on macros and run that recently created code. So it is showing that in cell number A1 it contains 1, it's right. Click on OK. In A2 cell it contains a value AB, it's right. In number A3 cell it contains 8. A4 cell hash, and look at here, in A5 that is empty and that's not gonna show into this message box. Look at here, A6 it contains D, right? So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. I'll give you the link of downloading this Excel workbook into the description box. Please check that. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.